That's it. There we go. Now, make sure we just put it in the right direction. Got the light on. All right. All right, let's let the old man through, wherever he is.
Wait, guys, Alan's coming here.
All right.
He knows the way.
Right there. Go.
I do?
Well, I don't know. We're relying on you.
Oh, yeah, I think
Oh man, we're in trouble then.
that one. No.
Watch your feet.
He's just the guy with the key, Eric.
Yeah, I'm just the guy with the key. All right, those guys who've been here before, you know, we don't go, there's a passage down there we don't go to, okay? Way too tight, way too tight. It gets to be about this big around. I went through it once, and I was definitely about 40 pounds lighter, and it was a struggle. We're going to be going up there, and there's two ways to do it.
Climbing.
We're going to climb underneath the rock here,
Okay, don't.
and up and over, or on the outside. You climb up on the outside,
I want to climb.
okay?
I'm going under.
So you guys pick what you want to do. Let's start heading up there, okay? Go for it.
Who's going under? I'm going under.
I guess I'll go under.
Okay, you going up the outside? Come here, come here. 1 foot here, 1 foot here, foot there. Hold on to that stub, and then this, that there. Keep your body over top of your feet, okay?
I'm gonna go.
YOUCave, are you going?
I'm going in here.
Okay, well then you gotta crawl.
There you go, okay. Hold up, wait a second.
YOUCave, watch your head. You're gonna have to go.
Let's let him go first.
Guys, I'm gonna go. Wait, Dylan, go.
All right, just go straight up where you are. Where you are, go straight
I'll go
up.
first. Yeah, you go first.
Yeah, I'm gonna climb.
All right, somebody else gonna do it?
I'm going under. I'm going under also. Luke's gonna climb. Me in front of you or not? Wait, there is no way up.
So it's-
Come on, Dylan.
Go straight up,
Oh, I see it.
okay? Now, right behind you is a hole in the wall there you can stick your foot in.
I see it.
Come on, back out. You don't want to be too close to him. If he falls down, he'll kick you right in the face.
Now where do I put my foot? Your foot's stuck.
There you go.
He has it in like a
Okay, you ready? 1 foot here, 1 foot here.
Then just
Then bring your other foot up here.
Should I go?
And hold on to that stuff. Keep your body over your feet. That's it. Just swing your other this foot over to here.
Stop talking about it.
Okay, there you go.
Peanut butter.
Okay, hold up a second. Okay, who's going next here? Get in there and go. There you go.
You look like you're about to fall. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Head on up there. You ready? 1 foot here. Yeah, that foot, and then this foot's going to go right here. I'm going to hold it, and then swing your other foot up to here. Hold on to that stump. You got to keep your body over top of your feet. Don't let your body swing back.
I know, I see it.
Okay, hold that stump. And swing up, put your foot here. Got to keep your body over your feet, over your body over top of this foot. It's just like you're standing up onto
You
this
gotta
foot.
push. I'm pushing at your butt, so you're not gonna go back.
That's it. That's it.
Come on, Luke.
Go ahead. Keep moving.
You gotta move.
That's it.
I'm trying.
Perfect.
All right, nicely
Then
done,
just
Luke.
climb it up.
Very good. Very good.
You got this. Go be careful. Luke, just be careful. Come on, Luke. You're you gotta come.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
You got this. Peter's here.
Follow him up.
Come on,
There you
Luke.
go.
Peter.
Man, you got the big pair of coveralls there.
Fit another one of you in there.
Yeah.
It's like a onesie.
My experience, you get like stuff once.
Probably want to roll them up though.
Yeah, I didn't bring any duct tape in with me.
I have that in the truck.
Yeah, I do too, but we'll just have to roll them up and tie them tight. Okay, who's next?
I guess I can.
You know what? All of us are up here.
Foot, and hold on to there. Got it. There we go. There we go. Next.
I want to see if we climbed out that way last time.
Would you be very careful?
I think
There
it
we
like
go.
recombines, but it gets
Very
pretty
good.
tight. Oh yeah, I know that. I can tell from looking back
All right,
there.
Jackson, go ahead if you're going up and over. You going under or over?
There you go. You ready?
Done under enough.
I think it's pretty easy.
That's it.
I will just to try something new.
That's it. There we go.
I just want to make sure everybody's going up so we have ample spotters. We're going up that way.
Alright, I guess I will go under. I guess I gotta come out.
Very good, guys. Okay, let's hit on.
Oh, you can just chill there for 4 hours if you really want to.
Take a nap.
It was comfortable.
That's a good spot for a nap. Yeah.
Where does that passageway go? I know we've come out of there before.
It follows into. It parallels this direction. There's actually 3 passages.
Listen, I knew we came out for 1 year.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, how did we get here?
Yeah.
I love this place.
Very good. Okay, we're all set. All right. Okay.
Yeah, I'm good now. Where are you going? Shoot.
Hold up.
Wait, go.
Come on back here, guys.
Back up.
So you can do this the right way.
Watch your foot. Don't put your foot in the hole again. I'm joking. That looks scary.
This is so much more fun than the rock climbing and doing.
I'm trying, Dylan. Like I can't. I'm not. You're hitting. How are you not?
Yeah, let's not push. We're not in a hurry. We're taking our time.
I don't want to get stuck over here.
Don't worry, the pizza place is open until like 9, so we're good.
Yeah.
No hurry.
Free pizza. Oh, not free pizza. Infinite pizza.
Infinite pizza.
Actually, there is a limit. They just
Let me get back over here.
they'll kick you out if you eat way too much.
What if I take all the pizza, get all of it, and then leave it on the?
Like if you eat a
Then
Mr.
I will kick you out.
If everyone eats a Mr. Pale sized like,
Okay.
which would be a human.
You guys that have done this before, have you done this other passage down here?
Some of us have, yes.
I don't know if I have.
Is it tight, but like?
Which one? Wait, which one is that one?
This is the one.
It's a vertical climb at the end.
Where's the?
Where?
Okay.
That way?
Yeah, that's not for first timers, okay? First timers are going to follow me.
Where's the keyhole?
It's way out the other end. Okay? Now, listen up, guys. If you're talking, you won't be able to hear what I'm saying. I don't want to say it too many times. Okay, if you've done this before and you know the passage down there and how to do it, okay, you can go down there. I suggest you get your strongest climber in the back. Okay, so that you can spot the rest of them going up, and then you can climb up without a spot. That's going to be the tricky part. If you've done it before, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't done it before, we're going to go this way. This is a little bit sketchy. This crack that's down this way, the left-hand side has another crack in it that's about foot height. You stick your toes in that crack and lean against the other wall, and you shimmy down sideways till we get to a point where we can just step down onto the floor. Okay? It may give you heebie-jeebies at first, but it's okay because you're only a couple of feet off the ground. All right? All right. Well, I'm going to head this way. Who's in charge of going down that way?
I'll take care of it.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, you behind me?
Yeah, I've already found some cracks. The power of time.
Okay. Take your time.
Oh,
We're not in a hurry. We're going to take our time. See how I have my feet in the crack? Yeah. Leaning against the wall. We're going to shimmy down this way.
No.
Just take care of the person behind you.
You got this.
I mean, it's like I'm afraid that I'm gonna fall, but at this part,
It's slippery. Like, that's why I don't like it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm doing it.
It's a little slick, but that's okay. You
I
can do
can't
this.
do my back.
that's what mine was just like falling over that way.
Okay, now when you get here, okay, this crack ends, but there's another one down lower. So you put your feet towards the end, both of them together. Then you step down to that crack, like that. Far enough away you can get your foot into it. And then you just keep on going until you can step down onto the ground.
Whoa.
Okay? There you go. Keep leaning so you have your points of contact. You can keep on coming down if you want, if you can't step down that far. Okay?
There we go.
There, okay. Very good. We're going to come into this room here.
It ends right here.
I'm going to keep an eye on them.
I see where it ends.
Yeah. It doesn't have like a wall, so that's
Yeah.
what I was telling you. I think I need water.
Very good. Come on, more towards the edge so you can make that step down. There you go. Very good.
Oh, it's really dark in here.
It's very dark.
Wait, are they
Very
gonna come
good.
out that hole?
Huh?
Are they gonna come out that hole?
No, they're going to come out up here.
Oh.
Up above us.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, yeah, I'm never doing that.
You're too far away from the edge there. Come on, keep on coming down. So your feet are together at the edge. And then step down. Easier, huh? Here, you went through.
Dylan, I see you. Oh, I see. Are we going down that hole? It's okay, Luke.
If you want to.
I find it.
Well, how tight is it? Does it get like super tight down there?
It gets sort of tight, but it's only for a little bit.
Luke. You gotta go down here. Okay?
Get towards the edge of the. There you go.
I'll keep my light there. Look on the spot now.
Step down to it. Step all the way down to it. You can do it. There you go.
You're good.
Because that way.
There you go. Put your back against the wall. Don't put your feet over top of each other like that, okay? That's it. That's it. You got it, dude.
Good job. No.
Now keep on coming down. Same thing. Just keep moving down like you did, okay? Okay. And now when you can step down on the ground, then you do that.
We might.
Oh, that is really tight.
There you go. All right.
Got it?
Okay. Here we go. This is called the wishing well. Okay? Now, if you go down there, you don't have to do that one. But if you do go down there, it's kind of tight in the very beginning. And you kind of have to wiggle your way through about this far. And then after that, it's about 20 feet of like an army crawl. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
If you don't want to do it, it's okay. You don't have to. There's another way that we can go is down there. We climb over big rocks. Okay? So it's up to